Okay guys, a couple of key pointers and my feedback on the installation of this kit. For the money, it's the same price range as Riva, so that's up to you, but I do feel like there's certain things that the kit should bring to avoid issues as far as you know, printing the template. They should provide a printed template. I felt every kit should do that, because even if they tell you make sure it's up to normal size when you're printing, or whatever the terminology was that was used, they can just avoid somebody making that mistake. That's one for me. Two, they don't provide you the drill bit for these either. You have to kind of, I always say, rule of thumb, you want to start small and then go up, because if you start too big, you cannot go down. You can't make it smaller. And if you drilled a hole wrong on the jet ski, you're in for a long day. That's two. Three, the clamp that goes on this here from the inside was extremely hard. I'm gonna show you guys a time lapse of more than almost an hour, put down in like maybe 2 minutes or a minute and a half. That was the most extreme, the most difficult part of installing this entire kit, was getting the clamp from the clamp that is supposed to clamp the holes inside to the outlet. That was, again, I don't know if it's because I'm not as skinny as I used to be. My hands are not as small as they once were when I was a teenager, but let me tell you guys, that was extremely difficult. But overall, the kit is on. Also, three, they don't provide you the silicone, so they don't bring a seal, as you heard in the other part of the video. You have to actually get like marine grade silicone and apply it yourself so it can seal it, due to the fact that the actual, you guys can see it there, the actual jet ski is not flat. That was another thing that I kind of was like, when you add it to the price point, they say it's $385 free shipping, but you have to add the drill bit for the bolts. You have to add the 95mm hole saw bit as well. I got it off Amazon. That was like 10 bucks. You have to have the silicone, which is another 25 bucks on Amazon. It adds up. So companies, you got to do better. I'm sorry, this is not a bad review on the product, but you have to do better, because realistically, you guys just provided this aluminum part and silicone holes. That's it, and charge almost $400 for it, plus not including all the other products that you need and that are very much necessary to make the install.